Set up 9 night pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
What's up, guys? Scream Boss in the building. Back again with another reaction video. You see me? Today we got a request for a song called Big Old Freak. You see me? If I hear the title, you're supposed to know what's going on in that video. You see me? By Megan Thee Stallion. Somebody request this and we see the thumbnail and boy, oof. Yeah, we know them. One of them wonder about them video. Like, from I see the thumbnail, I know how I'm going to that video. And some of them wonder if them video they get demonetized because, ooh, with them thumbnail, crazy. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna see what's going on with it, see me? And see what's up with it. So remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see me? And anything else more I react to, just link it down in the comment section down below. No know thing already though. So let's get this video started now. Oh. See what I talk about? Big old titties. Be your titties out and be about a thing. But I don't have a problem with this still, you know. I just say, I don't have a problem with titties out and everything. I don't have a problem. I just say, isn't it? I'm worth a chocolate, girl. Ooh, ooh, chocolate.
Big booty, big old tree. I'ma make him wait for the pussy. Hit it in these big old ski. Ay, feet on the bed. I fuck him up in the head. Suck it, then look in his eyes. Then the next day I might leave him on red.
Woo! You see that while ago? The session has to do one thing and then look up. Yeah, I'm high. My boy probably goes up. Wow! Probably like every day that I'm low. Yo, hey, I don't know what I'm a Christian. I don't know the whole thing there, is me?
Hey, pop it, daydreaming by how I rock it, He hit my phone with a horse, so I know that me come over and ride it. Shit, I'm on the way, ride on that dick, I'm like, hey, usually I like to fuck, but tonight we gon' make love cause you play. Nobody know, I fuck with him on the low. We never show up together, but I text him when I'm ready to go. Hey, I had a couple of shots at the bar, I'm finna play with that dick in the car. I got him swerving and breaking the law, at least when I'm tennis.
Like that girl, Anna. Yesterday, she adventure, she not lame. She said she should have played that man thing in the car, you see me? Can't board in the thing, you have to have adventure, you can't lame, you see me? Like her style, you see me?
Nobody cook like me, Yeah, what you need like me, Ain't nobody got up on their tiptoes and roll to the tip like me, I got him addicted, he fiending. My body a drug and he need it. He begging me for the treatment. He throwing fit when I leave him. He like, baby, let me rub on you. Like a little love from you. My body addictive, it's driving him crazy. I think I gotta run from him. Don't know what to do without it. He fucking with you, I doubt it. They don't understand that I'm all in his head and there's nothing to do with my body. You've been feeling for me lately, going crazy. I got what you need, I'm gonna give it to you, baby. Going crazy, feeling for me lately. I got what you need, I'ma give you what you crave.
You all go with that, you know. To tell the truth, the song alright still, you know. But probably why the people are really the video. Because I just should have asked and the boobies in. To tell the truth, you see me? And we all know that still. Because the tune is not alright like all that, but the visual look pleasing, probably to mine.
They love me cause I'm cold, and you can't take no nigga from me. I got mind control. I wanna fuck in the mirror. I like to look at your face when you in it. Come in the room and I'm giving commands. I am the captain and he the lieutenant. I need that neck like a motherfucking.
You know what the funniest thing too, next thing too, sorry if I pop out the video still, but some people tell me when I react to something, if I want to talk, I'm for part of the video, isn't it? Most of the women when you see talk say, you know, them can't really do nothing, you know, to tell the truth. Most women when you see boss and them can't cock up this and fling up that and them man go a lie. Catch them on the accuracy, them run up on them. And them just miss a talk.
Need you to spit, make that motherfucker glisten. Tell him shut up, make that motherfucker listen. I bet he gon' like it, he won't do no tripping. Ain't nobody freak like me, Get what you need like me, Ain't nobody got up on their tiptoes and roll to the tip like me, I got him like big, he fiending. My body a drug and he need it. He begging me for the treatment. He throw a fit when I leave him. Baby, let me rub on you. Get a little love from you. My body addictive, it's driving him crazy. I think I gotta run from him. Don't know what to do without it. He fucking with you, I doubt it. They don't understand. what you need, I'ma give you what you're craving.
All about that nice thing, when you have one of them girls and put on some action upon them, you see me? Feel it. You see me? Big ass fire, you say, whoa, you just go, bash! You see me? Feel that, you come like it up, like a earthquake, you know, you just shake up. You see me? Thick girl that's below and like a slim girl with us. Oop. And I manage them thick girl, yeah? Nah, man, bro. That's why enough man love thick girl because you feel the motion for you, bro. I feel like a wave for you. Alright, cause style she look nice, isn't it? Don't know, I like love the sharpie down already still, isn't it? But I want that video I get demonetized, you know, because I'll be a thing about that video, bro. Honest to God, that video is crazy, dog. I want that video I get demonetized, bro. Tell you the truth. Oof, crazy. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. To Megan Stallion. That's our song name? Your last name Stallion. Shall I give yourself that name there, you see me? But anyway, a good song alright still. But the main part of this is the music video. Because if I listen to this like without the music video, it will seem like yeah, alright, you see me, but the music video. Pitch, focus. You know what if that one? Yeah, so it's the end of the video guys. Peace out.